Easily transport steel drums with your fork truck with the tilting drum ring. The pivoting fork pockets allow you to manually rotate drum to dispense light materials. Raise forks. Slide the pivoting fork pockets onto the forks. Attach chain to the mast of the fork truck. To use, slip the band over the belly of the steel drum and tighten the lock to secure the band around the belly of the drum. Separate models are available to fit 30-gallon drums as well as 55-gallon drums. You can choose from a powder coat steel, galvanized carbon steel, or a stainless steel finish. Usable fork openings are 5 3/4 width by 3 inches high each. It has a welded steel construction. Transport steel drums with our tilting drum ring today.